Hello again everyone. I'll be covering a song called I Have a Dream by ABBA.
ABBA. Abracadabra. Char.
I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I have a dream, a fantasy to help me through reality, and my destination makes it worth a while, pushing through the darkness, still another mile. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. That's all po. So, when I was younger, mostly ito yung pinapakanta sa akin ng parents ko. Minsan yung Reflection, pero ito nga. Pwede kayong i-roar, Katy Perry, pero ito nga. Yung I Have a Dream, dun sa Mamma Mia na palabas. Kasi ang ganda rin nung kanta. Nung bata pa ako, habang kinakanta ko siya. Well, we usually sing with emotions, right? Nung time na bata pa ako, hindi ko pa sure hindi ko pa alam what's the meaning of the song. Alam ko lang, I have a dream. So, if I have a dream, I should do it. I have a dream. Parang ganun lang. Tas yung pala, when you're growing up, when you listen to the song then, the lyrics convey meanings about it's gonna be a rough road. Yung tatahaking mong papunta sa pangarap mo. Ano ba yung pangarap mo? Ako simple lang naman yung pangarap ko. Secret na yun. Pero yun nga. Sana lahat tayo makamit din natin yung inaasam natin pangarap in time. So, yun. Ito yung pangarap ko eh. Char. Pero yun nga. Siyempre sikat na rin yung pangarap ko. Alam ng future self ko yan. Okay. Bye everyone. Thank you po.